Folks, here is the example PowerPoint presentation that will have the relevant slides. So I will take you through this one by one. So the first one is a table of contents that you will have, and you have to also specify all the page numbers. Then comes the executive summary, where you mention current price, profit exit point, loss exit point, giving RRR greater than 1. Of course, now is the current allocation, which I sent to you over email. Here is the place where you say that you are going to generate EST from fundamental analysis, and you're also going to be informed by the risk management analysis. An example sentence is given there. Then you talk about the constituent members of ETFs, and then return profile and their 6-month return specifically. You're then going to talk about the demand and supply and get the evidences from Goldman Sachs, Morgan Chase, and BlackRock, and so forth. And then you can see in highlights that I said give some evidence on excess demand here, and then you need to also say risk management analysis will tell you a little bit more on that, and then you have coronavirus thing also mentioned. After dealing with advisors' comments and coronavirus impacting it, you talk about your own opinion, and highlights are mine. After your opinion comes the expert's opinion, and after expert's opinion it will be your conditional recommendation, and that EST has to be range bound. And your conditional recommendation will have to say that it is without hedge or with hedge. Next part is technical analysis, and look how they tell you about market timing, and also see how neatly and compactly they have addressed the graphs, and it is very convincing for the audience. Thereafter comes your opinion, and after that would be expert's opinion, and finally your conditional recommendations. Of course, you are going to all the time say that, well, you are doing this objectively and independently. In here is risk management analysis, and highlights are mine, and then you do this identification, and then you do the basis analysis. And look there, the basis, you say that after doing the basis analysis that you should accept normal backwardation theory in this case. You then give your opinion that whether you should hedge or not hedge. If you do not hedge, you completely support the long investment decision taken without hedge in fundamental analysis. Then comes experts' opinions, and these are experts on risk management analysis coming from fundamental experts. Folks, last part is the mindset. So you need to pick up some experts in that regard. It could be finance experts, or it could be sports experts, or any successful winner. And you need to tell how they transform their human frailties, especially cognitive ones, and give some opinion. Finally, you close out by talking about your mindset, and look at the highlights here. This is the second last slide where you give your final recommendation, and the last slide is the references. Hope this clarifies for you. Otherwise, we will discuss this again.